what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag that down like that, because I want to keep that, but I want to also show you a Choropleth map. So what we can do is we just click on that and copy. I don't want to lose that map because that's really cool. I want to Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, and let's just bring that up a little bit. Oops, not the map. Visual, I'll just click on the 3 dots. Now in this map, what I want to do is let's turn off that heat map. Let's just turn it back to the normal light map. And what we want to use is a Choropleth, but when we turn that on, it's going to give us an error message because it only uses a location and color fields. So if we go back to the fields, actually I shouldn't delete that because that's the field we want. So we don't want a latitude and we don't want a longitude. What we want is an LGA name. So LGA name, I'm going to drop that in there. And then we want the count of accident number as a color. So that's correct, but it doesn't know what LGA name is unless it has a shape file to tell it what to do. So let's create a shapefile and we'll go back into Mapbox. So back in Mapbox again, what we want to do now is create another tile set. And you can create that. And you can create that again using the file, this Vic LGA polygon. So this is a polygon I got from an open data source. What I'm going to do is create a new tile set and take the polygon, the JSON file, and drop it into there and confirm. And that'll load. Now, if ever that doesn't work for you and you get an error, what you need to do is take it over to mapshaper.org. Mapshaper.org, you can convert your JSON and you'll need a GeoJSON. So if I drop that in there, all I've done is drop that JSON in there, click on import, and it's in here, and then I need to export it as a GeoJSON. Once you've done that, it should work. So I've updated that. So Vic, polygon, shapefile, and I think I can just click on it from here. So what we need out of here is we need this information here that we can copy. We also need this name of the file, and then you also need to know your layer. So in your JSON file, one of these will represent LGA name, and for us it's Vic LGA3. So in your file that you have, that you can download, we have this information here. So obviously I've just created this one here, so it's different, but this one refers to here, this one is the name, and this is the field name. So just open that file, and we'll just head back to Power BI. I'll just move that out of the way. So what we can do in here is go back to Format, and under Viz Settings, under Choropleth, there's a whole heap of options down here, the colors and the zoom, extrusion height. But what we actually want is data level. So data level 1. And again, I've put that in there for you. Data level 1. We want to change that to custom tile set. So data level 1, custom tile set. And now you can just copy as you would have copied for any shape map that you would have put in. So I'm just copying B there, I'm copying C from the file into here, and I'm copying D as the field name into here. Okay. Once that's done, so I am filtered on an area, I'll just unfilter on that. just zoom into this map so you can see. And here we have our shapefile, which is very awesome. We can see the darker blues means there are more accidents. And now these are all what we call polygons. So instead of using latitude and longitudes, we are just using the name of a shape. And we're giving that shape a color based on the count of IDs. So that is really cool. And what is even cooler is what we can do now is we can fix the extrusion. So how high do we want it to go? So all we need is size. So let's just take accident number and drop that into size. Just increase that map so you can see it. And I might turn this off. So that's just a legend. I think it's at the bottom here. Yep, legend off. And now if I hold Control, I can rotate around and here's my file. And you can see here with the colors. So this is Melbourne CBD and the outer CBD, and things go down. So there is some regional areas which are a bit higher, but very easy, one click to make a 3D map, which is very cool.